Hi, this is Charles Sterling from Sterling Power Products. This is a quick rundown on the new fast charging system we have for emergency recovery vehicles and also all the other functions that this unit can actually do. So we'll bring this inside and we'll have a quick look at what we can do. Okay, this is Charles Sterling from Sterling Power Products, just giving you a quick rundown on our new power supply. This is just set at the end of the van where you put it up yourself. It should also be made really crystal clear that it doesn't have to be in this format. This can be spread out over the vehicle, different types of batteries, different types of equipment, different power levels. So this has just been put together as a convenience package, and also we'll run through what functions you can do with this other than just simply charging cars. Now, from the basic point of view, this will charge about 10 miles in about 10 minutes in a car. It can do about 3 cars, one after the other, but if you were to use it on a daily function, it also has the ability to charge as you're driving along the road. So though it can do 3 cars, one after the other, because it can charge at 1.5 kilowatts plus driving along the road, you could probably expect maybe 5 operations per day from the one unit. It also has fast recharge, so you can literally go to another supercharger, plug in and fast recharge these batteries. So there's a whole myriad of functions, quite difficult to go through all in one go. So this is the point of this, is to just give you a quick rundown of what's available, what you can do. So let's have a quick rundown of what we've got here. As I say, this is just stuck together for this particular example. There's no reason why we can't have more or less of whatever's on this unit. So here, I'll have to lift the camera and I'll give you a quick tour of what's going on here. I'll just pull one of these out so you can see it a bit better. There's 3 5.5 kilowatt continuous, not fake 5.5 kilowatts. These are 5.5 kilowatt continuous 240 volt systems, but they're wired in parallel. So this is actually 3-phase, about 17 kilowatts of 3-phase inverters. And here we have 48 volt 100 amp. They're about 5.1 kilowatt batteries. So there's 2 of those. No reason why there can't be 20 of them. It all depends on what you want, how much trouble you're in. You could put 4 on, 6, 8, 10, it doesn't matter. That can just be expanded. It could be expanded next beside it. You could have this vehicle set up so all it does is go around and charge electric vehicles all day. Maybe down in London, there may be a requirement for something like that there. So yeah, there's no limit to how far this can go. On the side of the unit here, which we'll show you, there's a 3-phase 22 kilowatt, let's call it standard home charger. So that will use the AC charging on the vehicle. That can only bring you up to how powerful the charger is on the vehicle. So some vehicles have 7 kilowatt chargers, some vehicles have 10 kilowatt charging, some have 15. This can go up, this is set at 17.5, which there's not really any vehicles, there's 1 or 2 that have up to 17 kilowatt chargers on the vehicle. If you want to go beyond that, you'll have to go to what's known as DC charging, and then we can add a DC charging unit onto this as well that can do 20, 30, up to 100 kilowatts. It really depends on how far you want to go, but of course this will mean larger battery banks, larger everything, etc., etc., etc. So there's no fixed, simple solution here. It's all expandable. It all can be made to fit your needs. We seem to have ice cream vans running around at the moment. So anyway, I'll give you a quick tour around quickly what's going on here with the camera. Okay, here we have one of the 5.5 kilowatt inverters. Here we have amp meter and amp gauge that shows you how full the battery is, how much energy you're actually taking out, how much you can put in and reverse. Gives you the percentage state of the battery itself. We have remote controls for the inverters. AC output, again, all this can be put on the side, it doesn't have to be put on the top. You have 3 of those inverters to give you 3 phase, and then down the bottom here you have the 48 volt batteries. These are full, but you can also got the meter up top to confirm that. This would all be screwed in. Up on top here that you can't see, in the unit here you've got your DC-DC converters, which can charge from your vehicle. It can be 12 or 24 volt vehicle. It can also, you can put Anderson sockets on the side which can jump start 12 volt or jump start 24 volts. On the side here you have your main breaker. This is the normal car charger using AC only. You've got 240 volt input, you've got 440 volt input. So this is just a very sort of basic version that you know, can be added to. There's so many options, there's so many variables with this type of product. It's really down to what you want. So for example, if you want to do 24 volt charging of vehicles, well, you can just put on in the top of it here, you can put in a 24 volt battery to battery charger up to about 100 amps, or you can put an extra 12 volt 200 amp battery to battery charger. So a completely flexible unit, can charge, let's say, 3 vehicles in a day. It'll take about 25 to 30 minutes to put in 10 kilowatts into a vehicle, which should get them, you know, 15 miles to, you know, get them home, 15, 20 miles, get them to the next service station rather than having to tow them. So hopefully this has been of some use. Give us a call and we can go over it in more details. All right, thank you.